Hey guys, today I'm gonna be playing some Minecraft Skywars. I have been lacking in a little bit of uploads, so I'm gonna try to start uploading more. I'm sorry for not uploading. It's kind of out of my control. But let's start some Skywars. I am pretty hopeful at Skywars, but if you guys play Minecraft, I have a server that I'm gonna put in the comments or the description. Ooh, power bow. Enchantment table. Ooh, a generation. That's pretty good. Not gonna use a potion yet. I'm not gonna be an idiot and not and just use it right away. Shouldn't there be like another chest somewhere? I don't play Skywars like that. And forget I'm gonna go for this chest. I got it. Bro, I got nothing to defend myself. Bro, I got nothing but a bow. Nothing but a bow. Get the lava, get the lava. Oh, I suck. Sky basins. Let's act like that didn't happen. Let's act like that didn't happen. Okay, there's a game starting right there. Sure that. If you guys like Dream, I have a Dream recipe server. So if anybody wants to join that, I'll put a link in the description. And I also might make a little Discord server for that. If anybody wants to join. Where's another chest, bro? I need a. Oh, what you look at that? Ooh, now we're talking. But what the? Oh my, bro, piece of little shit. Why can I not cuss for one video? Why can I not cuss just for one video? Let's go. The internet will not fail. Okay, probably will. 20 arrows. I gotta put some armor on. Like the arrows. The stone. Hey man, don't bomb me. I'm just gonna hit our bees. Hit these up real quick. You know me with the diamonds. Oh, I don't have sticks. Son of a bitch. And I come around. I wasn't even paying attention to these chests down here. I'm stupid. Steak. Diamond boots a bit. Diamond boots I meant. Okay, let's go full diamond armor. Wow, stone sword. Give me a little bit something cool, but that'll do. That'll do. Hey, man. Come here, bitch. Oh, wow, he fell. Justin, low lucky. He legit called me lucky because he fell. Let's hope this chest wasn't looted already. Let's see if this is already looted. Yes, he was. I see guys out. GG. Third place pretty good, I guess so. Let's start. That's the wrong one. One thing I want to mention in this video, there's one of the video what I got in Ayazi video. That video got so many views. Literally, there's so much views. It has 3,100. Okay, I don't remember. I haven't shown you, but that video has gotten it's super big. Yeah, I want to say thank you. I want to say thank you for like giving me support. It really helps me out. Yeah, it encourages me. It encourages me. Um, honestly, I really don't know when I'll do a face reveal in my videos. Did Nash just throw an egg at him? Right, buddy. Two could play that game. I'm gonna go ahead and attack one of them. Because why not, really? Bruh. My guy named Sub to PewDiePie. Literally. Bro, do you suffer more to PewDiePie or something, bro? The fuck? Hey, man. Oof. No. Ah, if I got the ladder. Lucky. Lucky. If I had put out the lava, he probably would have been dead. Let's be honest. Let's join this one. My voice is gonna be a little bit kind of messed up in this video because I've been outside all day and I have lost my voice. If you see it in the corner, the time is 1:52 and it's the weekend, so that's a pretty good thing. I suit up. A diamond chest plate from that, pretty good. A diamond sword, okay. I just see someone fall. Okay, fire res, that's pretty good. It's pretty damn good if you ask me. Ah, what? Bro, what's up with my hearts? Bro, what? Bro, what the fuck are you on? What the fuck are you on, bro? 3 sets of hearts? Are you shitting me? What the fuck? What the hell? What the hell? What the what is this? Okay, that's poison. I'm gonna need that. I'm gonna need that. My armor is pretty shit at the moment. I'm gonna keep this in my hotbar just in case. If I lose with 3 sets of hearts, I really am shit at this game if I die with 3 sets of fucking hearts. I have to be probably the most shit person in this game if I die with 3 sets of hearts. Wait, what the? Am I poisoned? The fire rest. fire res. Oh, everybody has that much hearts. Okay. That was kind of confusing. I thought that was a glitch or some shit. Like 3 sets of hearts? What the fuck? Again, I don't know what I'm gonna use this water bucket for. Like for what? Fucking MOG. My drink. I'm gonna take this sword as a spare. I'm gonna keep it in my hot bar. Do I have a helmet already? Okay, no, I don't. I don't know what to do with this, so I'll just do that, I guess. Alright, final chest. Give me some good loot. I got an iron chest plate out of it, guys. Two people just killed themselves. It literally says that right there. It's funny, guys. It's very funny. That's very funny. Grandma's is not gonna do. Now, right now, I'm recording. Some of you just sort of say, well, heck. I see. Ow. These chests looted. There's nothing there that I want. So, bitch. Ring. Go Neville. Pop that. Get the lava. No, I used the water. Oh my god. No, that was the wrong thing. I meant to use the lava, not the water. Bro, guys, I sold the game right there. How can I sell that bad?
Mommy said it's time to be, but then... Okay, it's done.
There's no open games. Okay, this one just filled up very fast. This is gonna be the last game and I'm gonna end the video. I'm gonna record tomorrow, so. I'll be finally. Okay, another golden apple. Why is it mostly sharpness? Like the only kind of enchant sword that's in here. Where's my third chest? Where's my third chest? Yeah, you better. Oh, I forgot my arrows. How sad, man. Try to tag someone that's coming on down. Where's my third chest?